Waterworks by Nhatlinh. Water is a limited and precious resource and the only substance in nature found as liquid, solid, and gas. Most of the world's fresh water is frozen and most of the world's water is too salty and cannot be drunk. Only 3% of the world's water is fresh and less than 1% of that water is drinkable. Fresh water is found in rivers, lakes, aquifers, and plants. The sun heat causes evaporation from streams, lakes, oceans, and rivers and transpiration from plants. It then changes to a gas called water vapor which forms clouds, and this is called condensation. After the water has fallen, it collects in rivers, lakes, ocean, and aquifers. The clouds get heavier and heavier as more water evaporates and forms bigger clouds. And when they get too heavy, it rains hail, sleet, or snow. This is called precipitation. This water is clean when it filters into the ground through sand and gravel. Pipes bring clean water to our house, so we always have a constant water supply. This water is first cleaned and stored in a reservoir. How is water used? When we are at home, our most important use of water is drinking. Did you know 80% of our body is water? Other uses of water are cooking our food, washing our supplies, brushing our teeth, and bathing or showering ourselves. We also use water for the plants in our gardens. We are not the only ones who need water. Animals need water to survive. Industries are big factories which produce items we call products. Many industries use large amounts of water. A paper mill uses water in many of the production stages. Cement needs a lot of water too, so do sporting facilities, mines, and reservoirs. How is water polluted? If the fish don't have clean water, they can't have oxygen to breathe. People pollute water by soap, water bottles, rubbish, toxic chemicals, animals' manure, and many other bad things. Many trees, flowers, animals also need water to survive. If the water is polluted, we can't drink that water because you will get diseases from the water. Factories can also pollute water by putting dirty things into the water, which makes the water unclean. Farmers also pollute water by putting pesticide and fertilizer for growing their plants in the water. Water is really precious and we need to conserve it, otherwise we won't have any water and also animals, plants, trees will die. So we have to conserve water and not pollute it. How do we protect and preserve water? Water is a substance that needs to be protected. Water can be preserved by advertisement to make people understand that water should not be wasted. Water can also be reused and recycled, and there are many other ways to save water. At home, we need to preserve our water because we can't drink water if it's dirty. So if everyone preserved the water, it could always be clean. If not, it will be dirty and we cannot use or drink water. The end.